Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Alpella. Today I'll be teaching us challenges entrepreneurs face. Challenges CEOs, entrepreneurs face. And I want you to look at these challenges. I want you to begin to know how to walk around it. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a CEO, then if you're an intending business person, I want you to know that these are the challenges you can have and how to go about them. Okay, so business is good, business is lovely, but we have challenges as entrepreneurs, we have challenges as CEOs that we encounter along the way. And if you're not able to handle these situations or handle these challenges, it can really break you and destroy you. But today we'll be looking at a few of them so that we'll know how to go around them and how to become better in that situation when we find ourselves. Okay, so welcome to my channel. This is Alpella Ekpela TMR Academy. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, like my video, share my video, and I tell you the truth, in this channel, I'll be giving you the truth about everything you need to know. So welcome again, and let's start. Today, we'll be looking at a few points I have put down for us. The first is funding. Oh yes, this is the major problem of every entrepreneur. I tell you the truth, whether you're a beginner, whether you're even at the middle of your business, or whether you are at the highest height of your business, funding is always an issue in business. That's why, number one, before you start up any business, make sure you have settled the area of funding. You say this, I can dwell in this area and talk about it for a very long time. Because without you settling the issue of funding, you're going to have problem with your business. You're going to have problem paying your workers. You're going to have problem purchasing even products for you to sell and make money. Okay, so funding is key. You must know how to handle the issue of funding. Now, as an entrepreneur, it's very great, as I said again, to be an entrepreneur. But listen, for you to get a new product or service, you need funds. You need funds. This is like the key you need for your business. So make sure you know how to get your funds. And another thing I will advise, please, if you're a new startup, don't take loans. Even if you're in business for a very long time, if you can avoid loans, avoid debts, because they are killers to business. The second is competition. You see this? We have what is called good competition, and we have what is called the negative competition. Make sure every time you're doing competition is a good competition, because if you go into the negative competition where you see people as your enemies, instead of you learning from them, you're seeing them as enemies and you're building hatred and jealousy for them. It will really hurt you and it can destroy you as a person, as a brand, and as a business. Okay, so if you want to go into competition, make sure you go into healthy competition, which is let whatever you see motivate you. Let whatever you see make you better. Let whatever you see push you forward and make you the best you can ever be. Okay, the next one is regulation. You see this? Regulation is important. Regulation is needed in every business. I tell you the truth. Is needed for you to protect whatever you do. If you don't have regulation in your business, if you don't follow the regulations of the land and of laws guiding that business, you can crash. It can really destroy you. So regulation is key in business. Okay? Then the last but not the least, we're going to end here today, and I'm going to bring part 2 next time. Number 4 is hiring and retaining talent. You see this? This is very, very important. As a startup, In a competitive industry, you need to hire talented workers. I'm going to tell us a story about a worker I employed. When I took this girl, she was someone that has never worked in her life. She does not even know anything about working. Nothing. And I made the biggest mistake of my life. Imagine you taking someone that does not know how to read and write and giving the person a big project and telling the person to make sure they minute everything that happens in that project. What do you think will happen? The project will become a failure. So that was what I got. I employed someone that was not competent. I employed someone that had never worked before in her life. And I tell you the truth, I got burnt. I got burnt seriously. So when you're employing people in your organization, make sure you hire the best. Make sure you hire talented people. And even if you want to take learners, do one thing for me. Make sure they are working close to talented people. Don't make someone that is a learner to be at the front of your affair. No, they will destroy the business and they're going to destroy your brand. So this is what I have for us. And I want to say thank you to everyone that joined today. See you next time. Bye.